These were built in Michigan. The Continental 7-cylinder engines. Muskegon, Wayne, and oh my goodness, thousands and thousands and thousands of these radial engines were built. That's 220 horsepower. Believe it or not, it's designed all the way back to 1922, so the engine design is literally 100 years old. And watch how wonderfully they perform. Fixed pitch propeller, you ready to start up? John Weyrich to start it up, let's watch. Rick Conn will fire up next, the same engine, Continental 220 horsepower. Aerobatic rides with Rick Conn right here. Same engine and the number 8. Continental 7-cylinder engine, 220 horsepower. We got a, looks like Fifi LeBombshell is trying to get a ride over there. John Potock flying the number 8. Looks like chief pilot for American Airlines, Firmin, has trouble. He has liver trouble. That's terrible. Maybe girls trying to get a ride, and Pete, who adheres to the rules of the FAA, is about to get busted. Let's get to go all the airplane. There we go. You want to go for a ride? Well, you can't do it now. We've got to get everybody started up. I'll tell you what, Chuck Tippett will take you up to a ride after the show. You go over and look at that airplane right there. Go look at that airplane, but don't touch the tail. Whatever you do, don't touch it, but go look at that one. All right?
He's real, right?
Yes, but don't touch it. Or else. Don't touch the tail, girls. Crawl line. I was afraid of that.
After the show, you
said. All right. Everybody started up. All the same engines, by the way. All these are Continental 7-cylinder engines. 220 horsepower. Fixed pitch propellers. There she goes again, down to the Piper Cub.
Hey, we can teach you how to fly if you want. We can give you a flight. Don't you trust us?
Winds are very light from the north, so they're going to take off towards the north. What you're looking at, 5 airplanes. They'll be taking off in a 5-ship formation, which is going to be quite spectacular. So I will be quiet, and you make a nice video. Longest running barnstorming air show in the world, the Flying Circus, formed in 1970 by 17 World War II veterans. Most who have passed away, there's a couple still alive. Charlie Culp was one of our founding members, and he built that as a comedy airplane in 1970. That's the earliest kid airplane in America, 1929. Called a Corbin, named after Orland Corbin. You could actually go to the Sears catalog and buy that kit. Not the wing, just all the chromoly tubing for the fuselage and the tail. The wings you could find, because back in 1929, World War I wasn't that far away, just a few years ago. And you could get wings from the Thomas More Scout, things like that, and used for small airplanes like that. It's called a parasol. And a lot of little airplanes were designed in that period for the everyman flyer, such as the Heath kit. And they built airplanes before the electronic kits. 2 magnetos per engine. Check the mags, make a video, I'll be quiet. All right? 5-ship. 3 up. Here comes the next 2. Now you have to watch out for wake turbulence behind those airplanes. Or prop wash. I have a small French monoplane that I fly, and the worst place you want to be is right behind those and underneath, or you get tossed around. We are Spearman Central on the East Coast, that's for sure. First air show season, 1971.